Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope that everyone are doing great. So let me take you back to 2021. Do you remember that? The bull runs was running in full swing, prices soaring, everyone's talking about bitcoins, and it seems like a golden opportunity was knocking at every door. People make quick decisions thinking it was easy money, and for some it was. But here's the thing, why many were cashing in on the excitement of that bull run, a much bigger wave was forming quietly beneath the surface. Now, fast forward to today. We're standing at the brink of something far greater. The 2024 to 2025 bull run isn't just another repeat of the past. Nope. It's shaping up to be something unprecedented. Now, if you're not prepared, you might find yourself watching from the sidelines as history has made. So, ask yourself, are you ready for this? In 2021, it was mostly retail investor, regular people like you and I, trying to get a slice of the action. They were buying bitcoins on apps, following the hype, and just getting caught up in the thrill of it all. There was chaos in the markets, volatilities run high, and fortunes were made and lost in a blink of an eye. But here's where things take a turn. Today the game is changing. Institutions, those with deep pockets and steady hands, are stepping in to the arena. Bitcoin ETFs have arrived. That's no small thing, guys. When pension funds, mutual funds, and institutions jump in, they don't just dip their toes, they go all in. The liquidity they bring adds stability. This time, we're seeing something different. We're seeing the foundations for something long lasting. Guy, think about it. Back in 2021, ETF were just whisper, a distant possibility. But now, here we are. These ETFs allow heavyweight institutions that once hesitated because of technical barriers to invest freely. And when they move, they bring in trillions of dollars. This isn't just a new phase, it's a tidal wave of capitals that could drive Bitcoins to new levels we only dreamed of. Now, let's talk about something fundamental: scarcity. Every 4 years, Bitcoin's block rewards are cut in half. This is known as the halving, and it creates scarcity. Simple economics tell us that when something becomes more scarce, its value tends to rise, especially when demand stays strong. And here's the key difference. This time around, demand isn't just for retailer investor. It's from the institutions, from those in it for the long haul. If you look at history, every halving cycle has led to new all-time highs. So 2016 brought us the 2017 booms, and the 2020 halving, well, that set up the stage for 2021 surge. Now with 2024 halvings behind us, the question isn't if Bitcoins will rise again, but how high it will go. The world around us is shifting too. Inflation is climbing, and central banks are printing money like it's going out of style. People are nervous. Geopolitical tensions make traditional assets feel risky, and those looking to safeguard their wealth are turning their attentions to something decentralized, something's untouchable by governments, that is Bitcoin. Back in 2021, people were just starting to notice. Now it's different. Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset anymore. It's becoming a safe haven. People see it as a way to protect themselves from inflations, from unstable currencies, and from global uncertainties. Here's another change worth noting. The retailer investors are wiser now. Back in 2021, it was all about chasing the next hot coin, the next big thing. And many of those coins, well, they disappear. But what remain? Bitcoin. The lessons have been learned. And today, more people are realizing that building a long-term wealth means focusing on Bitcoins, not chasing every new trend. Dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, slowly building your positions over time, has become the strategy. The market is maturing, and with it, the opportunities for steady, sustainable growth is clearer than ever. So where could all of this lead? Some experts are predicting numbers that seem impossible just a few years ago. $100,000, $200,000, even $1 million per coin. With shrinking supplies and increasing demand, these projections aren't just fantasies anymore. They are becoming more and more feasible as adoption spreads and institutions continues to buy in. But here's the real question. What will you do? Will you watch from the sidelines, or will you position yourself for this historic cycle? The early movers always win. That's how it's always been. Hey guys, I have to insert this in my video. Now, this isn't a financial advice, but it is a wake-up call. The next step is all up to you. Do your research, make informed decisions, and prepare for what's coming. If you're ready to take action, subscribe, like this video, and share how you're preparing for the bull run. This is your moment. Hold tight and stack it right. Get ready for the future.